Section 4, last two questions. Now these are great questions because they are asking us to really truly understand what we have accomplished and what we've gained. Now these are questions that require you to know the scale factor in order to find the volumes. So they give us a ratio of surface areas. Okay, so if we do that, we have a ratio of surface areas, again going solid 1 to solid 2, will be 19 over 475. Now I want to draw a little piece of information here that you might find helpful. If I give you the scale factor, from that, if you square it, you can get ratio of volumes, or excuse me, of surface area. If you cube it, you get ratio of volumes. If I give you the surface area ratio, however, you have to take that and find out what the scale factor is. And once you find the scale factor, then you can cube it to get the ratio of volumes. If I give you the ratio of volumes, you have to first find the scale factor from it, and then you can square it to get the ratio of surface areas. So notice that all require you to find the scale factor to find the other pieces. If you get the scale factor, you're set. You can do everything. But how do you find scale factor given surface area? Well, here's the neat thing. 19 over 475 is reducible. If I reduce it, I would get 1 over 25. Now I know that surface area, ratio of surface areas, is the scale factor squared. So what squared gives you 1 over 25? Well, 1 over 5 is the square root of 1/25. In other words, if I have 1/5 and I square each one, I get 1/25. So that shows that the scale factor is 1/5. Now that's important because now I can cube it, which will give me 1 over, and 5 times 5 times 5 is 1/25. That is my ratio to help me make my proportion. I'm going left to right here, so I will go 11 over an unknown. If I cross multiply, we'll get 1,375 feet cubed. All right, let's try the other one. Here they give us a ratio of volumes. So ratio of volumes is, I was going to go the same direction I went last time, left to right. That's my ratio, left to right. Now this is reducible. So if you reduce that fraction, you'll get 64 over 1. Again, in order to do this question, we need a ratio of surface areas. So my scale factor cubed will give me a ratio of volumes. So what cubed gives me 64? What times what times what being the same number gives you 64, and that is, had to think there for a second, 4. So 4 over 1, because 1 cubed is 1, 4 cubed is 64. That now will be squared because I need to find a ratio of surface areas, and that would be 16 over 1. I use that in my proportion. We are given the 960. I'm going left to right now. So we cross multiply, we get x equals 60 centimeters squared. And these are the two open questions for solids from section 4.